video was made for fun and was inspired by Thunderbolt 1000 Siren Productions. Link to this channel will be in the description. Switches are a main component of railroads. They allow trains to switch tracks from one to another smoothly and without incident. Well, what happens if one of these switches is not set in the right position? The results can be fatal. On the evening of August 4th, 2001, in the outskirts of Detroit, Michigan, a large
JANW
mixed freight train was chugging into town headed for Rougemere Yard, near the center of Detroit. It consisted of
with two trains, JANW 501, a B40-8, and JAW 502, another B40-8.
two, which had YN1 paint. Meanwhile,
JAW 500, a B40-8 recalled the violent crash after a moment.
this train was on track 3, serving Atlas Tube, a steel tube manufacturer located right along Interstate 275. The mixed freight train collided head-on with the local at about 25 miles per hour. Destroyed rail cars lay strewn across the tracks with a mix of concrete.
On the village.
Some locomotives even lay on top of each other as the force had pushed them up on top of them. In the front engine on the mixed freight train, the engineer crawled out of the wreckage with major injuries and called for help. The conductor was still trapped inside. Sadly, after being airlifted to the hospital, the conductor died from his injuries the next day.